Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter a Zoom meeting quickly and easily. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app on your Windows computer. If you don't have Zoom installed yet, go to the official Zoom website where you can download and install it. You can also join a meeting directly from your web browser if needed. If you received an invitation link, simply click on it and Zoom will open automatically. If you have a meeting ID instead, open the Zoom app, click on Join a Meeting, and enter the meeting ID along with the passcode if required. Before entering, you'll see options to turn your camera and microphone on or off. You can also choose your audio settings. If it's a work meeting, make sure to check your background and lighting to look professional. Now, click Join. If the host has enabled the waiting room, you may need to wait until they let you in. Once you are in, you are all set to participate in the meeting. And that's it. Now you know how to enter a Zoom meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.